Hey everybody, at the yard again. Got some goodies in the back here. Got a bunch of clean cast aluminum. And a quarter bucket of brass fittings, which is heavy as heck. And that nice aluminum wire there. And a little bit of scrap, shred.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much. Just pass that end over there, bud. Just drop that one in the trailer. Call it over. Yep, she'll sit there.
Toss her?
Yep, pick it up. Toss it. Hey, got her. Look at that. Get the cutter to the back. Oh no, never mind. We'll get that in a minute. You get that stuff off the trailer. Oh shoot, that's what it is. Well, that's fun. Yeah, we got much for shred on here today. Oh my goodness.
Those are biting.
What's that?
Careful, those are biting.
Yeah, I know. All right, chuck it, please. Yep. Give a push, buddy. We gotta get out of here. All right, flip it up. Get under it. There you go. Just let it keep coming. We're gonna let it roll. Let her go. There, flip it over, and it's done.
Oh no, it's supposed to be desk.
Let's just get her out of here, buddy. Okay, put the tailgate up.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Get back in the truck and get the rest of the stuff out of the truck. And our lights came unplugged on the way in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Minor issue.
Yeah, just throw stuff off there, bud.
Is that copper?
No, it's not copper.
Damn.
I ain't that foolish.
Yeah, me.
Throw their piece off so we can go. There are two pieces. Come on so we can go, please. Alrighty.
Yep, it's pulled. It's not gonna work. You know why?
This is not good.
Wait, I got a hole resizer.
That's what she said.
Screw off.
Hey,
wait, what?
All right, we're gonna get this done and go and unload our non-ferrous. We'll be back. Good day, everybody. We're back at the homestead. And we got the box liner on the truck. Actually, the box is in pretty good shape in her. Box liner over there for now. And we got the headache rack on. It's sturdy. So our next little job is to put the contractors rack on and just clamp it into place for now. And then put the sideboards on with the scrapper's favorite tool, zip ties, until we get some good D-clamps, small D-clamps to hold it on. So when we show you this again, she should be all together. See you in a minute, guys. She's getting done. Alrighty, we're back. And we got the contractor's rack on. Just got it clamped in for now. We're gonna drill some holes down through here, through the box side there, and bolt it on here. But these will hold it on. Before I do, I gotta find a piece of 2x4, cut the right between here and here so we can pop this side in because it's pulled out. So wedge it in there, pop this out, and then we'll let it set for a couple of days before we put the bolts down through it. That way she'll take form better. She won't be as much stress on the bolts. So the next step is to put the sideboards on it. And then she's back to being a professional scrapmobile. Yeah, see you in a sec for the finished product. And somebody's awful excited here today because everybody's here working beside him and he likes it, but he's getting a little bit too excited and screeching like a mutt. Oh, don't do that. Oh, no, you don't. So we got this set up here for now. Got to find our zip ties, temporary fix to everything. Oh, he did a lovely sound. Should I do it again? No. Fingers on a chalkboard. So yeah, this is what she's going to look like. She's all done up. Like I say, we'll just zip tie these here on for now. And probably drill right through here, put some long bolts through the back on both sides here. And we'll probably put clamps across the front here to hold it. Yeah, we'll clamp the front and bolt the back. There we go. So yeah, this is going to come right over to here. It's pulled in. It's just as tight as on the other side. You can see here, it's going to pull right into here once this is pushed in. And it'll be the same on this side. On the other side as it is on this side. You see just enough room there for it to sit there. So perfect. It worked out. But before we put this on, we gotta, oh yeah, there, set that back up. As I said, we gotta strap it up here next. So I'll say before we put this into permanent place, we gotta drill a hole down through the box here and put the other two things in here to make sure it's down good and tight. It ain't going anywhere now, it's temporary. See, she's not going nowhere, guys. All right, so what do we do today? Look up there, buddy, I gotta get the thing out of here. Weigh the page slip. All right, what do we have today? We had, well, let's see, 380 pounds of shred. We've seen that, not much. 2090, $110 a ton. We had cast aluminum. Oh, that went up. It was 40 cents. Now it's 55 cents a pound. Nice. 21 pounds for $11.55. That copper brought in the copper windings and stuff. They gave me #1 for that, the little bucket. There's 4 pounds at $4.05 a pound for #1 copper. $16.20. #1 stainless wire. 70 cents a pound, 9 pounds was $6.30. Yellow brass, 5 pounds. The kicker was that bucket I thought was brass. That Catherine was not brass. It was 316 stainless steel. Yes, the yellow brass. There was only 5 pounds of yellow brass at $2.80 a pound for $14. And all those little ends I'd found that I thought were brass, they weren't. They were stainless steel, 316. $1 a pound for $12. For a grand total of $81. Alrighty, guys. So we've had a eventful day. That puts it back up. It looks like she's going to rain here soon. You're happy now? You got your camera time? You didn't get none yesterday? No? Aw. You missed the camera, don't you? Yeah, Thor's happy again. All right, guys. We'll talk to you all later. You have a great day. God bless. Take care and all nice stuff. And we'll be seeing you in the next one.